Nearly every workplace has first aid kits, but OSHA's standard on first aid is only a few sentences long, so it raises a lot of questions. Today, we're going to answer some common questions about first aid supplies. When choosing first aid supplies, OSHA suggests using ANSI Standard Z308.1 Minimum Requirements for Workplace First Aid Kits as a guide. It describes two types of kits. Class A kits are for small workplaces and contain basic items, while Class B kits are intended for more complex or high-risk workplaces. If employees take supplies for personal or home use, you could prevent this by locking the first aid cabinets. OSHA allows this as long as the supplies are readily accessible. This means that someone with a key must always be available at all times. OSHA does not address over-the-counter medications, but ANSI says that if a kit includes these drugs, they should be in a single-dose, tamper-evident package and should not contain ingredients known to cause drowsiness. OSHA doesn't cover expired supplies either, but ANSI advises you to remove and replace any expired items on a regular basis. State health regulations might also require this. OSHA suggests that a designated person be responsible for tracking and maintaining all first aid supplies. If a worker gets injured, you'll want to ensure that first aid kits are fully stocked and readily available.